Hello guys, welcome to channel which is Real Homeopathy. So today in this class I'll be explaining about homeopathic materia medica remedy which is Aloosocratina. So the chief remedy, this thing I'll be explaining. So it is the antisoric remedy and it is having, there is a profound weakness and loss of power in the sphincter ani. There is loss of power of this anus and there is insecurity of rectum. Seen here, there is portal congestion which is seen in hemorrhoids. So Aloosocratina is more for hemorrhoids, feeling of fullness and weight in the rectum or the pelvis. There is weight in the pelvis, there is a portal congestion. Chief action is seen on large intestines. The action is seen on large intestines. So this is the stomach. So the large intestine, the small intestines are seen here. This is a large intestine. So it is mainly useful in piles, hemorrhoids. So the chief action, it will be on the hemorrhoids. This is the rectum. There are hemorrhoids. Okay, bunch of hemorrhoids. Afraid to pass stool or afraid to pass flatus, for fear stools will pass away, escape. Okay, remedies comparing here, there is Aloosocratina, oleander, phosphorus, china, hyoscyamus. So these are the remedies, and opium you'll see, and the acid phosphoric. So these are the remedies which will afraid to pass flatus. So in Aloosocratina there is a loud rumbling of and gurgling. There is a loud rumbling and gurgling in abdomen. And next you will see there is aggravation of condition after each meal. So first remedy is seen as arsenic, china, lycopodium. Fourth one you will see here in the podophyllum, strongyloidium and croton tigridum. Seventh one, ferrum metallicum. So depending upon characteristics you will choose the remedy which is aggravation of this thing. Hemorrhoids, piles, especially in Aloosocratina, there is a portal congestion and there is protrusion like a bunch of grapes, constant backache, bearing down sensation in rectum and sensation of fullness. There is hemorrhoids are moist due to constant mucus secretions from the anus. Next you will see there is a piles which are tender, sore, hot, itchy, generally agglomeration from washing it and with cold water. Differential diagnosis remedies, there is a bromium, muriatic acid, and bromium you will see there are piles which are relieved by application of saliva, and from muriatic acid you will see in muriatic acid there is application of warm water, there is amelioration. Deeply it is a Aloosocratina is antisoric remedy and that is useful in chronic cases. There is great weakness of sphincter ani. There is profound weakness firstly, and secondly you will see there is a feeling of fullness and weak weight in pelvis. Feeling of fullness and weight in the pelvis as though rectum were full of fecal matter. So this is the second point, and this is about Aloosocratina. Thank you. So this video, this question they will be asking for 3 or 5 marks, especially in cases of hemorrhoids. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.